Let's now discuss the Jing-River points. Lung 8, channel gutter. Lung 8 is located lateral to the radial artery, 1 proximal to the ventral wrist joint space, the most distal wrist crease. How to find lung 8? As the location of the wrist crease varies, use the joint space between the proximal row of carpals and the radius ulna for orientation. By loosely moving the hand, the joint space is easily palpable. This is the level for palpating the radial pulse, using the fingertips, not the finger pads. Lung 9 is located on the radial side of the artery, while lung 8 is located 1 proximal to lung 9. Li5 is located close to lung 8, but on the dorsal aspect of the wrist joint in the anatomical snuff box. Needling 0.3 to 0.5 proximally or vertically. Avoid the radial artery by gently pushing it to the side when palpating for the point. Moxibustion is contraindicated according to some classics. Actions, indications. Lung 8 descends the lung chi, alleviates cough and wheezing, opens the pores and expels wind in particular, opens the channel, especially locally. Special features of lung 8. Jing-River point, metal point, bend point, 5 phases. Lung 8 is effective in treating problems of the throat and lungs and such symptoms as cough and asthma, fitting into the category of river point indications according to Chapter 68 of the Classic of Difficulties. It is often added to other points to treat chronic throat problems. According to the Classic of Difficulties, Jing-River points are indicated for cough and dyspnea, chills, and fever. Lung 8, the Jing-River point of the lung channel, is primarily indicated for excess-type cough, dyspnea, and wheezing with fullness and pain of the chest and upper back, and for febrile disease with absence of sweating. An unusual indication for lung 8 found in the Classic of Supplementing Life with acupuncture and moxibustion is pain in the region of kidney 1. Pain in the sole is usually due either to deficiency of kidneys or to phlegm and dampness pouring downwards. It should be emphasized, however, that in modern clinical practice, lung 8 is infrequently used. Lung 8 can be combined with GB40 for tension of the chest and back with a swollen sensation of the chest. It can also be combined with spleen 2 for febrile disease with absence of sweating. The role of the receiver of qi is to inspire the heavenly qi that invigorates and infuses body, mind, and spirit with both spirit and qi. To benefit fully from this, our qi needs to be clear and fresh and not stagnant or too hot or too dry. Otherwise, less than clear qi is infused into our entire system. This can lead to agitation, anxiety that there will not be enough harvest to get us through the winter, or a refusal to contemplate anything new because we are jaded with detritus. Nothing fresh can reach or rejuvenate our outlook, so life continually falls short of our ideals and disappoints us. As a metal point on the lung meridian, meridian gutter, lung 8, carries the essence of the lung and metal element. The cleansing quality of this point protects the receiver of qi from contamination and allows calm inspiration and wise judgment to prevail. Meridian gutter clears away stagnation, purifies the body, mind, and spirit of poisons, and invigorates and enlivens the receiver of qi. Good for negativity at the level of the mind and spirit when the punishing aspect of metal prevails over its protective canopy role. Reinvigorating metal's responsibility for the automated rhythmic processes of life and for descending the qi can help clear a body blocked by constipation, mucus, or skin that is lifeless and in poor condition. Flowing gutter acts to sluice clear the gutters of the body, mind, and spirit from accumulated debris, sometimes clearing it from inside to the surface so that the toxins become visible on the skin before clearing completely. Meridian gutter engenders a fresh outlook on life, renewed vitality, and enthusiasm. For the fullest response to this point, Used at orary time in autumn. It is frequently used in the autumn, the season associated with metal for many patients where cleansing is an issue. Jing-River points are where the qi of the meridian is wider and deeper. Qi is flowing like a strong current at these points. The Suwen says the qi and blood at River Jing points move and do not dwell. At these points, exterior pathogenic factors are diverted towards joints, bones, and tendons. Thus, Nanjing indicates Jing-River points for cough and hot and cold sensations. Hence, Jing-River points are often used for upper respiratory disharmonies and pain in the sinews and bones. Lung 8 tonifies and regulates the lung qi. As a meridian gutter, lung 8 clears and carries away garbage and poisons. It can clear stagnation and negativity from the body, mind, particularly where there is cynicism present or a feeling that there is no quality or value in life. As the metal point, it shakes up and cleanses the official, especially when used in the autumn. Consider using lung 8 when heat or extreme cold are out of proportion on the body surface, especially the hands, palms hot, dry, or wet. Beneficial for many lung and throat disorders, sudden cardiac pain, intermittent fever, excessive mucus, or wrist pain.